Let's learn how to use ChatGPT as your default search engine on Safari. First, you need to make sure you have downloaded ChatGPT app on your phone. If you don't have, go on App Store or Google Play Store and simply download it. When you download ChatGPT, open Safari. When you open Safari, you need to search for something. I will search for America. And when you do that, in the bottom left corner of the screen, you can see little square icon and you need to click on it. When you do that, that will show you little pop-up menu when you need to click on Manage Extensions. On Manage Extensions pop-up menu, you can see ChatGPT search and you need just to enable it and click on Done. That will again open you this pop-up menu and you need to click on ChatGPT search. Now on this menu, ChatGPT asks of you to access to Google and they show you 3 different options where you need to click on Always Allow. When you do that, that will show you pop-up menu with more specific details, and when you read it, click on Done. Now you can search for whatever you want. Thanks for watching, see you in the next video.